Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO A12 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, let's open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. Now let's tap on this icon right here next to the settings icon. Now scroll down and find Start Recording icon. Press and hold on it, like this, and then drag it to the list above. Then tap Done. And now we can tap on Start Recording icon right here in the quick panel. Tap on Allow. Then allow some permissions. Then tap on Agree. And the countdown will start. And after it's done, the recording will start. And now our screen is being recorded. And if you want to stop the recording, you can simply tap on this icon right here. You will get the notification that the screen recording has been saved. You can tap on it in the notification center to open it. And you can also go back to quick panel. So let's open it. Press and hold on this icon to access the settings for the screen recording. And here we can change settings like video resolution, display orientation, audio source recording, front camera, and record screen tabs. So if you tap on video resolution, here we can select high, which is 1080p, medium, which is 720p, and low, which is 480p. You can select one by tapping on it, like this. Below you have display orientation of the generated video, and you can tap on it. And here you can select follow the system, vertical and horizontal. Select what you like by tapping on it. Below we have audio source for recording, and here you can select no sound or microphone sound. Again, simply tap on it to select it, like that. And below we have other category, and here we have front camera, and we can enable it or disable it. And at the bottom we have record screen tabs, and we can also enable it and disable it. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.